wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bet I wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue, blue, blue. I got two bad bitches in the coop, coop, coop. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options you could choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bet I wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe is something new with you. We could take a jet back, an island set back, counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Where you from? Make you wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bet I wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, yeah, I wanna shoot.
I think I'm in love, saying way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in a lane, I'll be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted. Pour four and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to
Yo,
these bitches up.
testing into.
Like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me. I told her, who are you, ayy? I ain't with that lame shit since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GPA I'm wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Whoa, I'll be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name.
Yo, render. Makes RPO looks the same shit, different smell, isn't it? Alright, my man. Let's do this. Yeah. I haven't updated my Chrome. I was too busy, man. I was too busy losing playing Dota. too busy losing. Or remind me tomorrow. Alright, let's turn that down. Let me know if it's better.
I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, phony, phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. On smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. They low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fly, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi. Keep a check like Nike, and find a nigga that's like me. But I see, fuck niggas that's high key. Plotting on me most likely, can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony.
Let's chat this up. High time frame up. Fuck all this noise.
Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been on the
Where's my high time frame chat, man? Ah, here we go. Where are we now? What's this line here? Q3 open. Oh dear, we're under Q3 open. That's not good, fam. If this is the range, 29312 is easy targets here. Did it scan pump? You know, I was thinking about you when that scam pumped. But I think we gotta scam fade that. Oh man. That looks good, man, not gonna lie. That's a thin ass cloud. But I don't really like this, like hitting the range. Like, if that was range higher, yeah, right. the range. This is the range that we played for ARPA. See what happens when something reclaims range highs. It fucking goes crazy. This is what ARPA just went crazy. He just went ape shit. Like people kept on aping in, right? Now, do we want another one like to target these OB? Like we can even say that this is another range here, right? Something like this, something stronger. Well, you can always you could always target this if you really wanted to. On the 3-day, easily target that, right? But I want this. I want no resistance. I want absolute obedience, like above here. I think that would be a nice BOS up here. Like engulf this. Right? And even then we still got that. Or maybe you can start at the daily close here. Yeah, no, I know you agree, man. This looks like reclaim this daily. The daily has proven to be such a strong level to play. Probably leave it for now. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is a nice, like this is a nice long, right? But I just don't feel confident with the way BTC is moving. Like we're range bound until proven otherwise. That's mine. That's it. This is me, and like I can play either way. I can play this breakout. I can play this breakdown. All I know is simple, right? We wanna try and keep like life simple and without having too many theories, right? I'll tell you the levels that you can potentially retest. Is this here? What is this fucking color here? Green. 2, right? Lines up with this as well. I don't wanna give myself brain damage. You know what I mean, bro? Like I'm too young. I don't wanna like stress out. Oh shit. Yo, I'm on. Like today, Indu, the goal is to put as much strong coins to short and weak coins. Strong coins to long and weak coins to short, as much as we can, so we can just play that level. That's it. That's it. Life shouldn't be complex, yeah.
Yo, yo.
Yo, man, what's going on, man?
Can you hear me good or you can hear the wind as well?
No, no, I can hear you, man. I like the wind, even if I can hear it. You get me?
Really?
No, no, I can't hear anything, bro.
That's it. I'm finished. So
Are you good?
I'm literally I'm not even entered my house. I'm sitting outside
God damn.
finishing my smoke before I go in.
So good, man. Take it easy.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not stressing me out. It's just my head is focused on charts and I want to hear your thoughts.
Oh, we're gonna discuss your thoughts first, man. I already have all your
Oh,
charts open here.
respect. I'm gonna open mine. Give me a
Yeah.
second.
I'm just on Whittleton, like your I'm just on your channel, like.
The channel that you gave me.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. We give trust in each other. So what's the point of we look at that first because you worked hard on that. So we look at that. Me I didn't work on shit. I've been stuck inside a range for the last two week and a half, 2 weeks.
Can I ask you a question,
Yeah.
general?
Yeah.
Do you think the bull market is close?
What do you mean? The bull market is here.
Is here. So you're saying the bull market is already here? It just, it's just starting. It's warming up the engines.
That's me. Like that's I don't care what anyone says. BTC has been
Now,
BTC has been in an
why
up early.
does CZ saying his thoughts in this way? You heard what he said?
Leaping into action. But Binance feels this train of worlds regulators leaping into action.
I mean, he said that in his opinion, the bull market will start in 2025.
Well, fuck what CZ says.
Yeah, exactly. But why did he said it? Well,
Because
what's
he
the
wants
idea?
to
What is
because he wants
behind?
to wait. He wants to wait until the halving. Look. Quite frankly, I'm not like too overly bullish, but it's clear that we are in an uptrend. Okay.
Yeah, it is. We can see it. We saw this.
There's a clear break of structure. Okay. Now we want this. If you know what they say, right? Like, if we're looking at a higher time frame, this looks like a just a massive pullback. I think we've been in an up early for a very long time, man. You know,
Yeah.
like have we tested 3 grand yet? No. Have we tested 10 grand yet? No. Have we tested 13,824? No. Like, we haven't made a lower low. see, it's all
So
about
you
perspective, right?
think
My perspective, my perspective is the bull run is here. Okay, it's a matter of when we're gonna push it higher. But well, like the bull run doesn't like the beginning of the bull run is the most beautiful part of the bull run is the bottom formation. This is a bottom formation. Uh, like until bro on the 1 day chart we've been up only since February 2023. And
second, I'm switching to Discord on the PC.
it's okay.
It will take literally just 1 second.
Alright, because you got a fast computer, bro.
That's it. I'm good to go.
We've been on up only. We've been in an up only since January 2023. Sunday the 1st.
Yeah, it's like it was like the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, right. Like that's the absolute bottom of the bottom. Right? A
So
bottom is
where
a
can we
circle.
go? Where can we go lower than that?
Me,
And why?
personally, I think that's the bottom. Just like how that is a bottom, Whittleton.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
We're still forming, and then everyone's gonna have a laugh, and we all gonna be posting photos of our new Lambos. That's just me, man. I'm gonna buy my I'm gonna buy my Koenigsegg Gemara in Dubai. Drink.
I will have a Lambo, fam. Yeah, I will have one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't you think that I will pass that? No, no way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're gonna have a Lambo for what's it called? But you're more of a classic guy, man. You're a JDM as fuck, bro.
I want something for the daily, but
Oh, a daily
maybe.
Lambo?
Yeah, why not? I will
Uh,
like. No, I don't know what I'm talking
this
about.
why not? Why not? Why not? It's nice, right? Just for argument's sake, bro. Um, what car are you buying when you finish this cycle, bro?
Indo, you here?
Of course he is.
Let's go.
I don't like. I'll buy a Lambo as a statement, because you know every crypto world has a Lambo. You gotta have one.
As a statement, yeah, well, makes sense.
So like that is up only. This is like the bottom forming, right? Like this is the true bull run is here. Sorry that these
Yeah.
charts look like the drawings look crap, but that's still an uptrend. Why is everyone so like, oh, you know, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that? Fuck you. All right, I'm gonna ride this 100% to the top. I'm not gonna wait until 66,000 and buy there. No, no, no. I'm gonna buy now. I'm gonna keep buying in an uptrend. Dips are for buying. Yes, yes, yes. I know Ritesh is saying. Yes, I know Ritesh is saying. Be careful. He said, be careful on when the dip comes, because it could get real heavy, right? Because we accepted below value previous month's value area high, which I get what he's saying. I get what he's saying, but which I respect that. But at the current time, one, we're range bound. The last time, everyone and their mum on Twitter was asking for what was the magic number? 23, wasn't it?
23? It was 23?
Everybody was asking for this dip and no one got it.
Ah, this one, the previous one.
No one got it. No one got this. No one got the 23937. No one got this. No one got this. No one got this. They all got smoked, right? They all got smoked shorting because of this. Everyone got horny because of this. All the bears thought that we were all going to zero. What happened? We made yearly highs. What do you think is going to happen? That everyone is going to ask for the same thing. You know, I don't mind. We can possibly go here. Ritesh is right. We can potentially go here. That would line up with order block. That's the order block. That's the order block there. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with targeting these levels. There's nothing wrong. But I'm saying I don't give a fuck until like for now. I'm playing this range until proven otherwise. I will keep milking this. This is up and down. I am straightening it out. Like what? Wait, what? Indu doesn't drive a car. What? Oh, that's right. He's gonna have a chauffeur. He's gonna buy a Bentley or a Rolls Royce. Now, before I start
Bentley and the Rolls-Royce, the good choices. Good choices. Love it.
before I start talking too much shit on my bias, because my bias is crab market for a bit. There's not like what if we just keep on going here for a while? But before we get into my thesis, let's go.
This is an exhaustion movement?
No, this I don't know. Depends if you
Look
look at
at
the
this.
glass. Depending on where you look at the glass half full.
I see the cloud, the future cloud forming at the same level. So I don't know, like maybe they want to play this range for a
and
little
and
bit.
and curling.
It is.
It's curling. I don't know who messaged me on WhatsApp.
Like my main question to the world is how long they want to play this range and what the signs should be for breaking this range.
Hmm. Hang on.
All those cats so cute at the first time, and then when they grow up, they start to be an assholes. Just eat, poop, and go away. Then they come home, eat, poop, and go away.
What
Not
is
like my dog, yeah, you know?
cats?
Yeah,
That's
my
what they
dog is
do.
always next to me, loyal, you know?
No.
Cats?
Cats are different. Good luck. All right, let's
Different
do
love, yeah.
this. I got all the. Give me a second. Have I missed any charts? Nope. You can talk about. You can
Oh,
talk.
this is my chart, no?
Yeah, this is your chat.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, I got them in front of my eyes.
All right.
I didn't
Let's
delete
go.
them, right?
No, I hope not.
Actually, to be honest, I'm deleting this every day and I'm remaking myself.
Don't. It's a waste of time. Open up. Don't delete it every day. Open up a new chart.
How about
Don't,
training myself to know how
nah.
to place those things?
Yeah, of course, but leave that. Leave this. Bro, look how many BTC charts I have. High time frame, local range, different plans. I still have these plans open.
Should I try walk like you with a lot of same charts, but you know, with different analysis?
Yeah, no, different exchanges.
Because I'm working with Binance and Bybit.
No, then open up Bitfinex, open up Coinbase, open up Bitstamp, open up not Binance US. That
Yeah,
I
like
don't want.
I'm
Crack
saying
that in Gemini.
I will create another list,
Yeah,
another list for
I
BTC.
always have. How many BTC charts do I have? I have 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, let's get started. Bitcoin 3-day. There's no Ichimoku here, but we see the MA cross. All right.
Yeah.
If you're grabbing from range low, to range high, mid range is 23,439. Okay, we held above that. As a matter of fact, we held above 0.382, and the price kept on moving up, didn't it? It kept on going up. Okay. Now we're at range high. So by that logic, we we already pulled back to 23 though, like around that area. We got front run. We bounced at 0.5. Golden pocket doesn't need to be retested.
Yeah, we had the touch at 30,000 and then We did a retest on the 0.5. Now we're testing again the resistance. What do you think? We will finish this candle above?
Well, if we close above 31419, then
Yeah,
I'll go full horny mode and target 48. It's very simple for me. I'm a simple man, bro. Like we break above this range, and my longs, like my BTC longs on my main account is going to be fucking pumping. I have this.
I see. I have TP1, TP2 there.
Yeah, look at this, bro. Is everyone forgetting about this trade that I took? 3 day, right?
Yeah. Wait, you took it a long time ago.
No, bro. I took it like literally. I took it like 10 days ago. I'm still here.
Then it was 10 days already?
Yeah, bro. The first of
It's a long
July.
time for me.
Yeah, man. I took it the 1st of July, and we've been like ranging here. I took it above this close here.
Oh, when we took our swings, like basically at the same time.
Yeah,
Uh,
absolutely.
uh, you took it a few days before, I think. 2 days
That's right.
before.
I don't care what anyone says. I'm targeting 2022 high. This is the conviction that I have in my play. If I'm wrong, it's going to be based on a system. I don't I don't I don't mind losing and taking a risk, but if I don't take this risk, then what the fuck am I doing here from
And
every night,
I
right?
will get your opinion even stronger on that, and I will agree with you that your this target is very, very like
It's
I
very hit.
I am I I understand your target because I think it's true. Like check out my chart about BTC dominance
One
daily.
by one by one. Okay, I'm still discussing
We,
this one here. Look how beautiful this chart that you made here. How can you fade this?
oh, you
How
want to finish this one? Yeah, let's go. Okay, okay. Let's
how
finish this one.
how can you fade
Beautiful.
this? How can you fade?
Beautiful.
How can you fade a 50 moving average on the
You
3 day?
can't. It looks like a fake out, and then we go up.
Yeah,
Like a 200 average is very strong.
and
Very,
bro,
very strong.
and by all means, I will cut my longs if we accept below 0.5.
True that. I agree.
If we accept under there for a 3 day, for 3 days, and a 3 day candle with a big red dildo, I swear to God, I will short the whole market, and I will short it, to 16,000. I don't care. Like we're range bound until proven otherwise. We're still range bound now, but I am taking my oscillators. I'm looking at my RSI. I'm looking at my MAs. I'm looking at my Ichi. I'm looking at my Fib. I'm looking at my bull crosses. I'm looking at the weekly bull cross. I'm looking at
Yeah.
my weekly bull cross here. Hasn't
But what
happened.
does it mean? What
We,
does it mean?
what do you mean? What does it mean? It's very simple. The last time
No,
it happened, we rallied.
I will explain myself.
Oh,
Like
okay, tell me, tell me, tell me.
you told me what it means.
Yeah.
I know what it means, but I'm saying like how can we expect that movement to come? In which way? Aggressive, slowly build it? Like how can we see this cross in our eyes on the chart? Like okay, there's a cross. Now we search for the price to react to that cross, right?
Yeah.
How can what will be the reaction? Will be a slow one because it's in a higher time frame, or it will be a fast one even though it's in a higher time frame? Like, what's your experience can tell us about recognizing this cross before maybe not all of the people, but to be a little to get a little bit
Okay.
uh, uh, get advantage of the situation. You see a cross, you gotta do something.
This is the
But
cross.
as we can see now, yeah,
I don't have enough data I don't have enough data for me to tell you how long it takes for a bull cross on a weekly to take place. The last time we did that, right?
can we check that on stocks or it's not applying?
Nah, we just look on Bitcoin. Here we go. The last time we done a weekly cross, oh God, like this, like probably down here, right? In April 2015, that's the first time we done a weekly bull cross,
This
and
is
it
the
rallied.
first bull run.
This is the first bull run, and it kept on going, and it kept on going, it kept on going. It never went below until May the 18th.
We
Crypto winter.
made a bearish cross.
The first crypto winter. This was the first winter.
So now we have the second cross. It means okay.
Now this is the second. Then this is the second cross that happened here, and it ran a little bit, okay, and it flushed everyone out again. Okay?
Yeah,
And
exactly.
after it went up here, and I'm saying that it can happen again. We can get flushed out. That's fine, but we have a plan, right? We're playing it level by level, okay? And then it crossed again. It crossed again on August 2020, after COVID. Everyone got flushed out though, in COVID. This is the COVID. This is the COVID dump. So we started a bull run here, right? Over, under, straight line, sideways market, right? I would have went long. I would have went long as fuck here, but then I would have got flushed out anyway in COVID. But then us reclaiming this again here, I would have went long, and then bang, I'm spot on. Would have been up only, and it takes a long time for it to cross again, to be across again. But keep in mind, I would have taken profit. Here's the cross. Here's the cross. Okay, on the weekly. What's gonna happen? We got a nice cloud here. The longer we stay here, the longer we stay here in this range, the longer chance that we have to test the conversion again here at 25k. This is why Ritesh was saying, be careful. It lines up with Ritesh, right? Be careful on the dip. When there's a dip, be careful. Don't just keep on catching the falling knife. Wait for it. Like if it dumps, like we can start shorting here actually. If we shorted here to cover my longs, right? Let's say we short here, boom, boom. All right. Bro, that's such a bad.
Sorry.
Long. It's alright. And that's such a bad short. I mean, we can do this.
But there's just too many supports on the way. You know what I mean?
There is no support along the way. There is only one support here. The support is 29. There's the support. The support is only this conversion, and if we lose that, it's a straight fall to 28,135. And if we lose that, we go into 29. This V here tends to be tested.
Because I mean by saying that, like, okay, we have the range low. I think it's range low. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
So
This?
it's 24,700, right? No, it's not the range fall. The previous chart,
Okay.
the one that you were in. Yeah. Okay. So
24,750.
yes, my screen is blurry a little bit, so I struggling to see the price.
If we
And
lose that,
if
though, there's a stronger support than 24,750. It's 25,315.
yeah, so I'm saying we have 29, we have 28, we have it's kind of well 27 and a half and 28 a strong support.
What I'm saying,
It's a strong support.
what I'm saying, when you can short to cover your long already if you have a long, right? There's nothing wrong in taking both sides of the market, right? Now, here's the thing. When we get there and we see reaction, when we need to see when the door comes knocking at 29,500, who's gonna answer the door? Are you gonna answer the door first? Oh, we're gonna get rinsed. We wait for the first bounce like this. The bounce looks like this. Okay, I'll show you before we look at your chart again. The bounce look like this. Okay, the bounce look like this, very similar, and we'll wait for it to reclaim. So like this would be the play. Boom, and long again. Forget the short, right? You can just play. You can short weak altcoins. Don't short BTC until we lose 30k. until we lose 30k, like proper, then we start shorting it. I mean, like I said, you can short this now. This is a big, big, big upside down hammer, man. On the daily. 1, 2, 3, boom, push down, try to push up, fail. This could be a retest. This could be a bearish retest, and we could drop from here. 3%. But where's your invalidation, bro? Where's your invalidation? Like, it's better, me personally, it's better that if we do this first, fake out, and smack. Me personally, that's when I would short. Because by us closing the 4-hour candle here, you'll trap people. Like who? Like me. You can trap people like me, the old me. Oh my god, bullish, 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 bullish. 4-hour close above the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Let's go long. Just, yeah, I mean, you could long it and have a really tight invalidation. Just go long. Or the best place to go long is at this range. Like at this range, right? This is me. Like I'm range bound. Like you guys can give me your opinion. I'm still gonna go back to this chart, and that's fine. And we can play your chart when it does come. That's why I just have alerts. Like I missed that. This would have been a nice weekend trade actually. Nice 1.6 anyway. This is me. I'm waiting for it to do this. I'm waiting for it to do this. Claim. Boom. That's me. Or if he does this, I can do it too. But I wouldn't like. I like shorting it like this maybe. That's my plan for this week. Fade the dump. Fade the pump. It's so simple. I want my life to be simple, but overall in a higher time frame, I'm bullish. I'm bullish as fuck. I wish I could be not bullish. I mean, I've been bullish since this little candle up here, and then even like I got rinsed. I got liquidated. I got fucking liquidated in I got liquidated at the Silicon Valley Bank news.
Jesus.
The like liquidated like a big position like 100k.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's painful. Yeah.
Yeah. No. I mean,
Sorry to hear that, fam.
we made it back 3x. It's all good.
So perfect.
so perfect, right? It ran up like what 30 fucking 40%, and on 10x, it's all good. But now, bro, it's very simple, yeah. High time frame, I'm bullish, and in a weekly, like in this last 2 weeks, I've just been crabbing it. Now, move on to the next chart. This is the daily. First try, second try. This wall is getting thinner and thinner, man. Don't like zoom in. How many times have we tried to reclaim 31.5?
A lot, I think.
You made this level a bit too high, I think, bro. Just maybe just a bit down, which is fine, right?
Let's see. Show me like where should I have put it?
Here.
Like
1, 2,
on the
3, almost 4, 5. We touched the 5 times.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay.
and I remember, if you looked at, and also it's not too bad. So like slightly off. As a matter of fact, if you really did want to double check the range, it's this. It's 31,304. That's the resistance on the weekly. So many times we failed. And if you look at it even closely, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more touches, bro?
I don't know how much power the people have. Like they get exhausted in the end.
No. The question is, this guy that's selling at 31, who is it? And why are they trying to push us down?
Swear to God, I think it's CZ.
I have a feeling it's him too.
He's trying to recover himself. You know what what expecting him in the future. So he's trying to make moves. Maybe I don't know. Really, I'm speculating. Everything is speculated when it's come to fundamentals.
Of course.
Cannot count anything.
But the technical analysis is very simple.
Oh, I love
This
it.
that's the beautiful thing about technical analysis, right? The more touches, the every time we touch 31,300, that guy gets poorer. Not getting richer, getting poorer, man. He's taking profits, but where did he buy from? Maybe I'm just speculating. Because we're gonna force him to buy high, aren't we? Yeah, this is I like this idea, and I like the breakout of this to touch 36k. And if we pull back to these supports, which is in line with Indu's ideas, which I respect too, right? Let me see.
Everyone's idea is valid because there's so many ways that the price can go and the things it can go through. Like everything is valid.
Man, all I
Maybe
know
this
is
will happen. Maybe this.
absolutely. All I know is this: if we go below 25, if we go below that fib, okay, and the fib is probably more at 25,300, okay, because this was off
Do-
by 200.
I didn't send those chart yesterday. From the previous, like
This is the
2 days
first
ago.
one. This is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. 8 hour Binance. 8 hour Binance. If we're looking at this as well, this is I don't like this. I don't like this bear cross.
Yeah.
But
That's what I did the arrow because I saw this. But I don't know. Like maybe it's not gonna happen because we had the same cross over there. On left. Or not the same, but even better. Maybe we will correct to 26, 27. Jesus.
that's just play
So
around with
many
it.
ways it
I
can
know.
go, you know?
Absolutely. This is a 4 hour first try, second try. What if on the third try we fucking break this? But this is where fundamental comes into play. Where is Al when you need him?
Must be in a gym or
Oh,
walking.
he's out at the moment, I think, on Instagram. What is this? 4 hour? 4 hour we just bear crossed. Did we?
Yeah.
The red line is the bear cross, right?
Yeah.
Look, overall, this is valid, right? Like, I'll show you something
Like
on the chart.
everything that shows that BTC can pull down with a high chance that he can go down, everything matches with the regular indicators with the Ichimoku, the clouds. Everything is matches like the Fibonacci is exactly where is the Ichimoku cloud and the price was exactly where the Ichi was and everything is connected. So almost every chart of BTC showed me that might be a pullback. I don't know how big, but at least to 29, 28 and a half, something like this, because there was many results the chart was showing me that could happen, but the range will be 28, 29 and a half, maybe
Ask-
something like that.
I'll ask you something. I'll ask you something. If your chart is saying that we're gonna pull back, how come you're not shorting?
Why not?
Why are you not shorting?
You know I'm shorting. I told you today.
You shorted BTC already.
Yeah, but I got my stop loss a little bit bigger and I did it a swing.
If you're swinging, right? If you're swinging, right? If you're swinging, are you gonna do this? Or you
Edge
this?
to edge.
Like
And
this?
stop loss, this. Yeah. 1% risk. Only to test the system. I wanna see if the system will support my thoughts about it.
I don't,
if the system tells me a pullback, I wanna hear it. So I wanna try this, you know. I can demo it, yeah, but I wanna feel it as a trade. So I will maybe I put it for now. I think I decreased it as a little amount, very small amount,
okay.
because I don't know. I want someone to convince me that we're not going there.
There isn't. There isn't. There isn't. Like I don't. On the Ichimoku, the system is telling you it's a short, but you have a big boy coming towards your way. That's why I don't think the R&R is worth my time. That's why I'm waiting.
Yeah, that's an
That's a
interesting position.
that's a big boy.
What do you mean, big boy?
A
The
big
cloud,
boy.
yeah?
The 1D.
Um,
The one day.
where?
The 1 day conversion is coming towards you, and the 2020
Oh,
and the 2022 high and the quarterly high. I'd rather sit out than get squeezed. And by all means, do not let me or anyone. This is what Indu done, and he didn't. And he fucking and then he fucking closed his trade. Like he had this trade. He had a 5% move, which I respect you. I respect you as well for risk management and closing it early, Indu. But I'm saying though, I still want to know why you closed this trade. This is the what if we never see 31,300 again? What if we don't see it for the next 6 months? You would have had the boss's entry in the whole world, right? You would have been like a Chad bear, because all these bears got rinsed, but you closed it. Because if Indu kept that trade open, this would have been like a 4.64 hour trade, and he would have put his stop loss above 32, 2.83. Beautiful trade, right? That's TP1 as a swing there. If he really wanted to swing that, if I'm given the opportunity to short from here, I'll do it. But at the current time, me personally speaking, my system says the price is about, like, on the daily is above the cloud. We're in an uptrend, so I wait. I'm waiting. Even if it means I don't trade for the next week, I'll wait. I'll keep long.
yeah,
it.
you're right. You're definitely right.
Like I will long this, targeting 36.
I will long BTC, you know, like when I will long it good,
When?
if the 4 hours time frame will show me that the price closed above the cloud, which means above the conversion,
And
which
that's
means,
when I'm shorting.
and yeah, from this point of the edge of the cloud, I wanna like get the opportunity to
Like
long.
absolutely. And I'll tell you where I would long. Like me personally, like me, I would long this if we reclaim this early, because that's mid range, right? Hang on, that's my high time frame chart. Whoops, sorry. Yeah. If we were to reclaim there, the POC, I would long it. Don't get me wrong, but I have a very tight invalidation, okay? And as soon as I see that on a shorter time frame, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, we start closing underneath the cloud again, I'll cut it up for short. Because I told you this, right?
Yeah, I see
want-
what you're saying.
I want this long. I'm waiting for these auto blocks to be filled. 1, 2. Because we range bound, right? This is why I haven't been relying on the Ichimoku for the last. I know you see this. Like I like, unless it's alts. Like I gave up longing. I gave up with the Ichimoku temporarily, like for the last. Oh, it doesn't show me the day. That's so lame. For the last
Hmm.
there you go, 2 weeks. What for? Not for. It's a momentum-based indicator, right? And I'd love and but that my but as soon as we touch this, that's also another long for me. And by the way, these zones that you're touching here, right? This one here is going to be 36. That's going to be my 36, right? Easy. I could keep longing this. I will keep longing this on my swing. I will keep loading until I get liquidated. I don't care, right? Like it might seem reckless, but I have a swing trade that I can still take shorts, by the way. There we go. Weak. But then this is just where I would like to add my trades.
I have a
This
question.
anything.
Does the alt? Do you
Mhm.
say does or are? Are the alts or does the
Alts, alts,
alts?
alts, alts. No, that's
No,
in
like
between.
what do I say before I say alts? Does the alts or are the alts?
I
Are
don't,
or does?
I don't know.
Because I wanna say
What
like
what
if the
context?
alts need to if the alts will always follow BTC. If
Yes,
BTC pumps, so
correct.
always.
Always,
Okay.
always. It moves in uniform, but depending on where the alt is. XRP was having a hard time pumping because it's been in a sideways market.
Yeah.
GMX,
Let's say we have a situation when we at support and BTC pumping, so those
hmm
alts will pump.
hmm
Okay. Yeah, I
but
just wanna get the concept of the thing. So
GMX is a bit dangerous at the moment.
yeah, I see that.
It's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back to this level again, like deep to 51. But I'll buy 12
It's a
hours.
swing, so
Yeah, I don't, yeah. We might even hold above this conversion. That's why I like cut the or time frame or
I don't know
whatever.
about you, but you prepared me for months with this trade,
Oh yeah,
so
yeah, 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 yeah.
I have time, fam. I have a lot of time.
Months. I'll see you in 20. I'll see you in December. I'll see you in December. Maybe we'll get stopped out. Maybe we won't. But if I start seeing acceptance, if we see like the Ichimoku curling down, cut it, cut it early, cut it early.
Yeah, 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 yeah. If you see the signs, of course.
I like anyway. Let's keep honoring this bit 2 hours. With all due respect, bro, I'm not even gonna bother with the 2 hours here. It looks great, but I'm not really too concerned about the 2 hours. But that is a nice, rising tunnel which broke down and trying to retest. So, yep, we can go lower. Absolutely go lower. Just
Like
FYI.
I don't actually like if I put it the 2 hours chart, it's not
Mm,
because I like believe it have
mm.
some big meaning. I'm just putting out the time frames I checked,
Oh yeah.
and when someone looking at it, he can take for himself the 2 hours or the 8 hours,
Mm,
and
mm,
he can work with this at his own way.
mm-hmm.
But I didn't know that the 2 hours it's not that important. It's
It,
you told me something new, by the way.
oh no
Thank
no,
you.
but it's because we're looking at direction for the next week. That's why I didn't bother looking at two
So
hours.
it's less relevant. Yeah, 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 I got you.
Hmm.
Understood.
But the problem is that 2 hour chart. Looks very, very, very confluence with the 4 hour short, 4 hour time frame, 8 hour time frame, 12 hour time frame is all short. You get me?
Oh, check out the 4 hours, bro.
Hmm.
Check out the 4 hours of the BTC.
Bullish.
What?
I'm joking. That's a bull cross. That's a bear cross.
Yeah, Berkos, but the
Yeah,
we're gonna test something in this cloud. Definitely. Maybe even 29.6.
bro. I'll show you something. If we close above 30,291 on the 4 hourly, that's juicy.
Yeah. But if not,
If not, then
it's fine. Like if I'm taking always the bad situations.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. As a matter of fact, I want the bad situation to play out. I want your short to play so I can long the shit out of my daily conversion.
Like I'm thinking about this in a way of get, get I'm talking about myself, yeah. Like
Uh-huh.
get yourself prepared for the
Uh-huh.
worst case, so you'll be ready for the worst case because the good case will be easy. But
Uh-huh.
this is how I'm looking at it.
You wanna short up, um, just in case we go to the gulag, huh?
Uh, yeah, I'm not saying I want to short BTC. I'm saying if I go by the system, so yeah, if
Hmm.
it closes in below the conversion, like inside this cloud in the 4 hours, it's definitely gonna pull back. The question is where.
Here,
Might be my
20,
first target will
29,
be
29,
29.
29,529.
Yeah,
Don't even bother
five to
taking.
nine.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Don't even bother taking profit. Don't even bother taking profit at 30,000. What you do is if it goes to 30,000, just put your stops on break even. Let it run. You
Hmm.
all right? Because let it run because it might just keeps on consolidating, just take a shit and go to 29,064. As a matter of fact, I'm warming up for a short. Indu in while I'm having a chat, find me a nice short to short on a 4 hourly time frame, man. I already have a few on my mind, but I wanna take Indu short. I like it when he's a bearish guy. What else you shorting? BTC. Where is he going? Our weekend mission.
Love that BNB lost the point of control on the daily chart.
Did they? I'll take a look at
Yeah,
that.
might be even go to the range low, which is 290.
Uh-huh. 4 hours is the very similar chart to mine. Are we gonna touch 26?
It looks like my previous chart.
It
It's
is your
mine?
chart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I always like I think I don't know when you're looking at my chart or your chart.
My chart looks like this. It's
I
BNB.
know. Then it comes to me.
Value area high, value area low, POC. POC is the mid range, correct. I like
But
this.
tell me,
Hmm.
at at the first moment we was like at the first days we was using a daily conversion base and that to
Mm-hmm.
make ranges.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're using the fib with the range high and low.
Mm-hmm.
In which method it's recommended to trade? Like it depends on the market itself.
Yeah, it depends on the market. It depends on what you're
When we
doing. I mean, if
mm,
you're a simple range trader on the 4 hour chart, depending on where you want to take your position and how long you want to take your position, how, like how long are you willing to hold that trade for? As a matter of fact, if we're looking at this chart and only at this chart, I would start shorting right now, and I'll aim for 566, and I'll put my stop loss at like 32.
you're not you're like you're skipping the point of control or you're just not it's weak. Like why
No,
wouldn't we stop there?
that's my TP1. Then I put
Oh,
my
TP1.
yeah. If I'm looking at this chart only with no other confluence, but I think trading is much uh, for a big short from here. The best way is, because you see the below, it looks like we're in a trending market upwards. What you want to do is you want to see it close above the 31.544A and then deviate back into the range. That's when you short it into like range low. Oh god, 19617 is range low.
I'm checking the CVD hourly.
The CVD has been selling. I have it right here next to me.
Yeah?
Yeah, don't bother. Someone's distributing still. And if you see a nice
Okay.
spot push, if you see a nice spot push, that's just the squeeze short, to score short covering.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting.
BTC
We can
dominance.
go to so many ways.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. This cup and handle. I like this. And this is in confluence with mine as well. I think that alts will run for a little bit on the next pullback or the next run up.
Yeah.
If we go to
The daily BTC dominance is entered the change of character, in my
where?
opinion.
On the
There you go. Yeah, on the daily. So it's already above that. You know, like it's broke up of this order block. It's if it's an order block. No, it's not an order block.
yeah, it is an order block.
It is. So it's already up. It closes above.
And this is an order block, and also on top of the Ichi. I will only be longing BTC. That's why I'm waiting. If we break above this,
So
I'll
so
see
I don't
that.
know.
Yeah, it's
We're
BTC.
gonna test the edge of the cloud and then we go up. But the dominance should be going up. It's a thick cloud.
But the problem is that's a bear cross.
Yeah, maybe a pull down to that level that you did there. Yeah, the edge. This one.
And then fake out, huh?
And then, if this happens, maybe the alts will pump because the total 2 it's in a bullish position. I think. Yeah.
We're about
Let
to
me
get
check.
there. What is this? Daily pullback to 31.
No, it's bearish now. What? Daily, sorry.
Total two.
Yeah, on the daily, it's gonna
You know what?
give a test to a cloud, to the edge of the Kumo cloud, and
Total
then
two. Total two is bearish on the 4 hour. Same like
yeah,
BTC. Also, yeah, be wary with alts. Don't be over leveraged. USDT dominance. Yeah, USD dominance is very much the same like mine, really. I like this though. I like this. I like this USDT dominance shot that you made. It's very nice. Very clean.
thank you.
Nice, man. Are we still underneath this? Are we still underneath this, Ichi? Yes, we are. We're getting pushed back down again, see?
Mm-hmm.
Someone wants us. But I think because we're here now, this guy will be tested. Confluence with this order block here.
Interesting. Yeah.
Fade the weekend. Fade the weekend USDT dominance. It's fake. No one trades on Saturday. No one trades on a Sunday. The real move is this. This one. We did not move this weekend. No one's playing.
Yeah. Nothing. Dixie.
Almost done. Almost done. This is a very good. Stick to your plan, okay? That's all I'm gonna say to you. What is this? Market cap BTC dominance on weekly. Oh yeah, edge
This
to
it's a
edge for
weekly.
sure. For sure, edge to edge. For sure. Almost done. This is where I marked it here. Remember?
Hmm.
That's it. Until we get there, it's up only for BTC, and you only
But
long.
I saw situations where the price could enter the cloud and then stuck in the middle of it, reject the above, and went back to the lower edge of the cloud
And that's fine.
instead of going up.
That's fine.
It couldn't happen here, like
With Bitcoin dominance,
yeah.
nothing is impossible. But man, look at this order block, man. This is inefficiency. This whole move here is inefficient.
It will be filled up.
Absolutely. And it makes sense
Hmm.
because there's all this news, securities, blah blah blah, moving into BTC, blah 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 blah. Oh, yap yap yap, FUD FUD FUD. I don't give a fuck about FUD. You know this. USDT weekly bear cross on conversion of the base. What is this you're talking about here? I don't understand this.
If you pull out the chart
Oh yes,
on the
weekly.
weekly, turn on the Ichimoku, then you see the cross. I wanted to keep
Oh,
it clean, but if someone want to check the cross, he will need to turn on the Ichimoku. Yeah, I did a specific
oh,
instructions. I
that's
still
okay.
working on it.
It's okay, man. I like this. I like this.
No, it's silly. Like I think if I was someone that was checking this chart, I would say like, where is the cross? I would search it and search.
I was looking where is it? Am I blind? But then I just
Yeah.
it's okay. But man, overall, I'm very proud. Like very good movement. Even though my bias is still range bound until proven otherwise. I do appreciate that you have taken the time to learn the Ichimoku and play it and take in your gut with shorting here.
Appreciate that, fam.
And that's
Told you I
fine.
want to master it.
And that's fine. And this is a clear edge to edge play. It is. It's so clear. Like confluence with 12 hour, confluence with 8 hours, confluence with 4 hours. Let's go. 2 hours short, 2 hours short, 1 hour short. Woo. 1 hour is a
Oh,
fucking mess. You turn it off. That's a mess. It's an absolute
yeah.
mess. But maybe. No, it's a mess. That's me. My
It's
opinion.
like a little kid swinging with a sword.
Mm-hmm. Me personally, because at the moment, because I'm waiting for my beloved daily conversion to be tested. I will be relaxing. As a matter of fact, I have a feeling this conversion will start doing this. Oh, and that's when it gets juicy. Day per day, it's moving up and up and up. And man, and if the daily conversion crosses my range low and it goes there and there's demand there, I will fucking go
Wow.
crazy.
We all do, I think.
Yeah. And don't get me wrong, this this
Sure.
this this bad boy can do this, and that's when he's short to the bottom. Are we forgetting about this? Are we forgetting about this gap to the gulag? Are we forgetting that we might be able to test this order block here? Patience, patience. Patience. This is where I will go fucking ape shit though. Now, in the meantime, I hope my coins are strong enough to hold this. Like on the weekly, XRP still bullish, Ethereum bull cross.
How do you how do
Hmm.
you like um let me put this right.
Oh man,
Okay, when
this is a short by the way. Ether.
Ether is a short,
Yeah,
that's not good.
for a little bit, but the conversion.
That's fine. I have a swing long on it, so I'm not worried.
No, I'm actually gonna do this. Add alert. Oh, I'm gonna add alert here. Add alert. Boom. All right. I'll see where it takes me. And also here, add
That's
alert.
so annoying when the alerts is on your phone. In my case, sometimes I'm not getting them. Sometimes it's skipping them.
Oh, fam. Now let's just discuss a couple altcoins before I rest up, and we already know our plan. And by the way, fam, I just want to say I have the greatest weekend not looking at charts. I'm not gonna lie. Like you guys were working, doing trading little scalps here and there. Me with my positions, I had zero anxiety. It's the
Wow,
best.
that's good.
hmm hmm hmm
Perfect.
Um, let's review our swings. Okay. Please let me know your swing. You got ETH swing.
My AVAX, my ETH, and my GMX.
Bravo to you and Indu for going according to plan with AVAX because I had a plan on AVAX. I faded it.
We got this, Indu. We got this, Indu.
I'm the only one. I'm the only one, fam. Oh shit, that's a nice area there.
Like
Uh-oh.
at the first glance at your portfolio, when you look at your trades, you see AVAX is a solid on the same price. Like it's standing there, no matter what BTC does. It's pulling back a little bit,
Like
but
this? You mean this one?
yeah, it's not affected too much.
And that was a double bottom,
There's
by the
the
way. If you didn't see that,
oh
fake out.
no,
All right,
no, missed that.
break out of range. Okay,
Boom, one.
one,
Vega Reg again, two.
and then he broke down. Fake out. Up long. Bang bang bang. Fake out. Okay, it bounced. Rinsed everyone here. Reclaim. Long. And this is a short.
By the way, I'm using confirmation candles when I'm entering along.
Of course you
When
have to.
at Tavax I saw this there's a hammerhead closing on a candle,
Where?
a bullish one. Kind of. Left. Yeah, right, to the right. At the block order. There's a doji and the left of the yeah. It's not the most powerful candle, but the left one showing me a buy pressure and the right one is confirming it. So, and there you go, a hell of a hammerhead.
At the 8 hour close. I remember this shot. I forgot about it. I'll be honest, I forgot about it. I have so many charts that I'm watching. That's why we were
That's
talking.
fine. You got so many charts, yeah.
Render is shit, but on the daily is fine. Like what's the if I took this long, right? If I took this long here and I target this one and I will take two, it's a 3.24 hour trade on render. Maybe like this one more time. Huh. And then like this. This guy will be defended, and then maybe this guy will be grabbed too. Then I'm fucked. Is this worth my time? What do you think? This rent.
Why? Why not? Uh, Like,
How many fucking.
it's a nice edge to it.
Yeah, it is. This is a very nice edge to edge. We'll see. I'll wait for the daily. Um, XRP, same thing. Here, edge to edge. That was yesterday's candle. This is today's candle. I added size for my XRP. GMX is pulling back. Um, Doge is moving sideways, but I'm not looking at Doge on the daily. I'm looking at it at the 3-day. Yeah.
Hmm.
Tomo range bound until proven otherwise. Oh, I'm a fucking dumbass. But then again, I didn't really want to take a trade this weekend. Look at Tomo. Ever since I charted this on just me and Indu, literally here.
Nice. Wow. That's a good move.
Well, this is the range. See how easy it is to range trade,
Yeah.
and also on the 8 hours here, close here, and then there. This hammerhead would have been the confirmation, and I don't mind taking this trade here. I don't mind. I don't even, as a matter of fact, if I look at on the 12 hourly, I don't mind. I don't mind targeting this. I don't mind missing that move. I'm not taking too many risks, man. But um, yeah, on the hour is really good. I wonder if Indu took the trade. LTC is a nice on the 8 hourly, on the 4 hourly look shit. On the daily, it just bounced off hit of this level here. Um, I'm waiting, man. BNB dot.
It's so true, like when they say the most of the time in trading, you just wait, and only like 20-30% you act.
Yeah,
I didn't thought that it's so true.
man.
Like, of course, you're not sitting and waiting. You can learn, you can like go over the charts and then
Take
test
scalp.
things, but yeah, but like the meaning is like you're not literally trading all the 100% time. You
No.
usually just build and execute the right one, the accurate one.
I'll tell you something. If I'm shorting anything, I'm shorting Aptos. Let's fade this fucking clown of a coin. OB1.
Do you got
OP.
the top traders positions if they long or short on Binance?
Where is that? I usually have it open.
I wonder like what are they doing right now? Most of them maybe at the
Maybe they're
change
sleeping,
short.
bro. Ooh, what is this? Open interest building. There's open interest building on Binance 3.180, 3.1 billion.
Hmm.
They're long. Um, yeah, they're long, bro. For the next 5 minutes. 4 hours. They're long. They're long and strong.
Wow.
Yeah. I would have been long and strong. But I fucking, oh my god, I'm so upset. Ay, ay, ay. And that was the retest of value area low. Got front run. I'll tell you why they're long, man. We're inside value area low.
That's right.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
This is
But
the level.
we are not inside. We are above it. Oh, no?
We are above value area low.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay.
Um,
Didn't have that.
this is the mid range. Let me just double check. I know I have the chart there. I just want to check what mid range that is. Why is my mid range there? Did I move that by accident? Did I move that by accident? Oh right, no, because I just changed my level. Yeah, no, that's right. That's the high, but I want that to be my yeah. Um, I'll wait for the reclaim of 3508 to long or value area low or 29563. That's my verdict. And if we show weakness here, I'll short it. That's it. That's when I will short. I wanna wait for these people to get rinsed first before I go in and on my short. Because people are shorting
Mm-hmm.
after that drop, they're all shorted. People are still short here. I wanna wait for them to get stopped out first before I go in. That's where I'm shorting. And if you're shorting up here, good for you. And if that's your stop loss, it's gonna be very hard to get you.
Mm. Yeah.
But you can bet that if we reclaim mid range, I will push it. I will help push with my sense, with my pennies. Why not? But quite frankly, this is also why they went long. Okay, there. That's why they went long.
Mm.
What's my risk to reward here? If I longed here, nah, not worth it. I'll wait. I'll wait. I mean, I'd be very happy if maybe I should do this. Nah, I'm waiting. I don't care if I miss this whole move. I can buy. If I miss this move here, if I miss this move here and the price kept on going up, I'll buy it up higher. Like if we get a weekly close above here, then I'll buy it from here. And then I'll just change this. Don't laugh at me. Yeah, simple. I'll aim for 48. Something stupid. I'll keep on adding. Okay, that's me. Anything else? Any questions? Any chart that you want me to look at before I go to sleep?
No, I think we are
Keep an eye
more
on
than
Matic.
good.
Keep an eye on Matic.
Medic?
Yes, sir. Oh, well, well, well. That's an indecisive close, isn't it? You know what? One last chart. Remove drawings. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Boom, boom, Ichimoku. Close that, close that, close that, close that. Maybe there's things that I'm not seeing. That's one. Or that's one. Touch, 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 touch. Yeah, I'm happy with this support level. Okay. Now let's see some change of character. Where are we looking for from here? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's look at the shorter time frame. So we haven't broken out yet. We haven't broken out yet.
No.
What if I did this? Then we have broken out. It's all about perspective, right?
That's the beauty of those charts.
Isn't it? It's absolute
Yeah,
masterpiece.
sure.
Look at that. What if we done that? 1, 2. Would have been breaking out already. Okay. I don't like this though. There's not enough. There's not enough evidence for me to go long. What if we go here? Nope. What if we go here? Ah, lower time frame. Nah, get rid of it. This is the line. This is the line, and this is the strong support. That is the strong resistance. Okay. We highlight this in red, and then if we accept above that, then we'll just go along, wouldn't we? There we go. Yeah, keep eye on this. Now we look at the daily, and then above this line, okay, above this line, 1, 2, 3, right? That's it. Very simple. Matic is in an uptrend until proven otherwise in a lower time frame. Looks good. Daily. Oh, and Filecoin. And definitely Filecoin. We're currently at buy order block here. That's why we're pumping like this. Now on the 3 days. On the daily, sorry. I don't know, on the 3 days. Okay. Weekly. We can target these guys. Imagine the smell we just went up here. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? All those Matic bears getting liquidated. Poor thing. But realistically, this should be like a walk in the park. No, like this is fine here, but this should be a walk in the park. This one here, this top level here. There.
Yeah.
That should be easy. I'm gonna put that at the top here and put that there. I'm gonna add another section. Add section awaiting trigger. There you go. 1, 2. Tomo that. LTC. I'm not really too concerned. Polkadot is just being Polkadot again. Very annoying. I thought I was about to get something nice out of Polkadot, but I got nothing. That's yeah, it can do very similar move to this. Aptos is a short. Apra is a potential long. We don't like people. Woo. Yeah, nah. I'll let you guys chat and have some fun. Just please for me.
People just disappointing me.
Always. People are always very disappointing.
Yeah.
Filecoin,
You're going to sleep, fam?
of course, fam.
Yeah, it's very late at your place. Wow. Yeah.
It's okay. We um we covered all the bases. Um, my part was very short. That's the reason why I focused today's one on yours, because mine is very easy. We play the breakout, or we play the breakdown, or since I'm not shorting at the moment, because I don't like this place here. I would rather wait for a failure to reclaim mid-range and then I'll short it at 30,500, sorry, or the breakout
Mm.
and break down. If he did a fake pump to mid-range and fail to hold it, then I'll just short it to 29. Otherwise, Filecoin is nice on the daily, no, on the 3 day. Everything looks good on the 3 day chart. Just keep your eye out on this. This is a bit like, get rid of the Ichimoku. That's very powerful.
Yeah.
There's things that are stronger than the Ichimoku, and that's a horizontal level line and resistance. Trust me when I say this. I
Of
love the
course.
Ichimoku.
Yeah.
I love the Ichimoku. You know this.
Like this is the way I was charting before I had like the Ichimoku with with the with horizontal lines and stuff.
Correct, but with the Ichimoku, you're able to identify
Yeah.
change of
It's a different
structure.
level.
You're
My
able
mind
to.
exploded when I understand how to use it, to be honest with you. Like I was like, wow, that
Nice.
thing is so power. I could like manage my entries, my exit, and it was
Absolutely.
correct. I was shocked.
And I
When
hope
you
your
use it
short.
right, it's go with you. It's like
And, and,
wow.
and believe me when I say this, and I mean this in the nicest way possible, I hope your short plays out. Really, because I want the entry at your take profit. Only because I don't want to short right now. That's all. And there's nothing wrong with waiting. It's
Yeah,
100% and
it's even
valid.
better.
It's 100% valid. But fam, this is why I said watch this, because on tomorrow we'll be inside the cloud. On Tuesday we'll be inside the cloud.
Filecoin, yeah.
Yes, on Tuesday we will be inside the cloud, no matter what the price is. So it automatically triggers an edge to edge.
Yeah.
But he could just go inside the cloud and just do this. And if it does do that, long small position there and add as we go up. Add here, add here, add here. 1%, 1%, 2%. Boom. Order block taken, and that is 29% move. Mark my word. That's the play. On
Yeah.
Tuesday. I'm waiting for this until Tuesday. I mean, if I miss the whole move, I don't care. But at least if I'm not playing, I'm not losing. But that's the trade that I'm willing to take at the moment. I always say, like, I'll post videos like, you got to take risk in life, right? You're right, but risk management trumps taking too much risk. You get me? Like, I want to take the risk, but I don't want to take the risk yet, if that makes sense. This is the play for Filecoin. Trust me. I'm waiting for this bad boy.
Yeah, I have it on my watch list, like in the first place.
I'll,
I find it interesting. Like I wanna long it when it comes to the to inside of the cloud.
I'm waiting for the inside of the cloud.
Hmm.
Because where am I going here? Like if if we are if I do long this now, right? If I do long this now, right? I don't like my invalidation would be here, right? Which means my
Yeah.
entry is too high. Why don't we just like if we scam pump now, then that's fine. We'll look at another coin to long. But if we wait until tomorrow or Tuesday and the price goes there, oh man, I'd be so happy. I'd be so happy to get this play would be a play that I would put up on the wall, and I would like this trade because look at this ready, look at this ready. It might look small, all right, but that's TP1. It's still a 3.5 hour trade, bro.
Wow, it's huge.
It's 3.5 hour trade with at 1%, but then as we reclaim and have church on 1 hour, 2 hours, add, size up. And how do you minimize your risk management and still risk 5% by adding size? You add size with your profits. Okay, you could keep adding, but yeah,
Hmm.
keep an eye on that, right, bro. Matic, Filecoin.
Filecoin, yeah.
For me, the play for this week would probably be like Filecoin. If you guys find some juicy charts for my intro week play, by all means, please. I'm happy. I'm happy to along with you. I'm happy to short with you. Bitcoin like Bitcoin, I'm just not shorting at the moment because I'm like the Bitcoin dominance is just way too high up there for me to take a risk. It's not the risk to reward is not worth my time. When I could short coins
Got
like
it. Yeah.
Aptos. Aptos is
It's true though. Like you're right. It's not. It's too risky
if
right now.
if we are pulling back, if we are pulling back on Aptos, I mean if we are pulling back on BTC, why short BTC? Why not short this guy here? If we are going to 28, why don't we short this guy? You know what I mean? Why not short this
Hmm.
guy?
Yeah, definitely we can go there. And those are targets.
Absolutely. So, and when we do go to 28, I will probably be buying Aptos again here, like this. Like, oh, BNB. I'll probably be buying BNB again, like to long. Just and I don't know, but the long, like range plays like this, but the real range play, the real Ichimoku play would be this. There, you see, edge to edge. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Just imagine this. Imagine this as a cloud that hasn't been colored. Make sense?
Hmm.
There you go.
Definitely.
Now you have two clouds. Have fun, man. Okay? It's time to sleep, huh?
So sorry,
Uh,
I was without my earphones. Now I
yeah,
have them on.
yeah. Have some
You're
fun.
going?
It's
What?
it's time for me to sleep. All right, bro.
Oh, good night, fam. Good night. Thank you for the time, for
No,
everything.
no problem, bro. We have
And
a plan. Hmm?
we
We
have a plan, definitely.
we have a plan, and just play it. And don't forget when the BTC dumps or BTC pumps towards your levels, short it. And I'm looking at shorting with you as well, by the way. I just don't want my entry to be here. I want my entry to be.
Of course,
I,
of
I want
course.
I want people to get liquidated first, then I go in.
I'm waiting as well. I'm checking my
But yeah,
entries over there if we can find something. We'll see. We'll see.
and please don't make me sway you to get like. Because if your system says short, then short, and that's fine. Okay, I'm just waiting for people to get stopped out because your system is a bit more stop loss friendly because you have it a bit more high.
Yeah.
But there is, just remember, okay, just remember, with every pro there's a con. Your pro is that you're probably not gonna get stopped, but you're prone to getting risk. Like you're prone to getting squeezed.
That this is true. Yeah,
Like
I
like
can feel it in the trades. Yeah.
like BNB, yeah. You're getting
Yeah,
squeezed on this.
definitely. Definitely.
And
Definitely. Definitely.
respect where respect is due, and I love your system because like, but then the problem is when you're wrong, oh man, you get squeezed. But that's fine, risk management.
Definitely. This is how we live.
All right, bro.
Yeah, good night. Thank you.
All right, bro. Take it
Thank you
easy,
so
bro.
much.
Bye now.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye.